Hmm? Yeah. So, the prince did this to Anozie.
Ha! Papa, it's been you I've been waiting for. You see that prince, that Ochakomaka, I'm also there. I swear he will collect. I will finish him. I swear to God who made me. I will finish him.
Adora, stay out of this issue and do not bring trouble to this family.
Papa, don't tell me that. Papa, trouble day. Trouble come wake up. Trouble jam trouble. Waiting baby. War. I go give that prince war. He will know that my name is Adora. He cannot dare to come and lay his filthy hands on my brother. In the craze. No, in the jumwanya. In the mad. If I give him just this my breast, he go hear him. I go finish him. He go see. It's yours. Stupid prince. Just wait. Just wait.
It's okay.
Hey.
Nouah. But online, you need to talk to the king. Kamdi needs to be cautioned. Eh?
I need to go to the palace again and speak to the king about this. That boy's character is not good.
You know what?
It's not good. Adora, come back here. Come back here, Adora. Come back here.
Now, how are you? How was the story?
Oh yeah, it went well. I observed something about this.
No.
But all the same, I noticed something about the people of this kingdom.
What about them?
They don't need to be given soft landing. They need to be given strong hands.
Where?
Strict with them.
Where?
Yes, we need to put them in place. Let them know that the rulership is done.
Where have you been? Were you not informed I was looking for you?
Not yet. I just got back and I'm having a chat with my mom, as you can see.
What right do you have to go about the community, beating up people?
Your Majesty, what is all this about? He just got back.
Woman, stay out of this. You're the one that gave him the impression that he can do anything to anybody and go scot-free.
He's the prince.
Now, Kamdi, answer my question. Did you or did you not order the guards to beat up a boy today?
Oh, that? Oh, yes. I call that discipline. You know, same thing I was just discussing with my mom. We need to give these people strong hands. Imagine that boy passing me without greeting me. The prince of this land.
You must be mad. Did you hear me? You must be mad.
Did you call me mad, Father? Mom, can you hear him?
Will you stop that, Kamdi? Kamdi? What's that? Will you stop that, Kamdi? Why will you be talking to our father like that? Why?
When we come back, we are not done talking.
Look at this stupid boy.
Can you see your son? He has now grown wings. He now has the guts to walk out on me.
Are you surprised? No, like, are you shocked? You think it's that little boy you used to throw up? Nah, kaka. He is now a full-grown adult. He is no longer a baby. You are calling him mad simply because he exercised his conjugal right as the crown prince of this great kingdom. That's why you're calling him mad. Calling your own son mad.
Being the crown prince does not give him the temerity to go about maltreating his subjects. How is he going to treat his subject tomorrow?
So you care about the feeling of others and not that of your son. If you know what is good for you, leave him alone. He is my son. I know what I went through before I had him. Please, Ebedike, stay away from my son.
Talk to him. I said talk to him or I'll disown him. You heard me right.
Onewi.
Mother, do you know you are the reason Kamdi is insulting father? You're the one supporting him.
Shut up! If you don't know what to say, shut that hole on your face, else I will shut it for you.
Mother,
are you mad?
there are talk to him. He's overstepping his boundaries. And if he doesn't watch it, boy, better talk to him. Better talk to him. Stop it. Pick that thing. Are you waiting for me to tell you to pick it? In as a guy. God, shake it out.
Son, it is only a stupid mother or an ignorant mother that sees the face of her son and says everything is okay. What is wrong? What is the problem?
Mother, you know what is wrong. How can I be happy? I have been on this throne for 11 years. Look at me. I'm not getting any younger. I do not have a heir to the throne when I join my ancestors.
Yes, I know. And I also know that whatever is happening is not your fault. It is not. You know very well that right from the very beginning, I have been against this marriage between you and Ugezu. My son, won't you at least listen to your mother's advice and get another wife?
Mother! I hate it when you bring up this issue. I will not marry another wife. I will stay with Ugezu, my wife, and get the solution.
Very well then. Good, if that is what you want. If that is what you want, that is what you will have. But let me tell you something. I am not getting any younger. I need a grandson. Do you want your brother to take over the throne? Set your mind and give the answer.
Break my toe. I cannot come down to do that. Greetings, Queen Mother.
Anyone who sees you will think you are an accomplished mother of a dozen children. No one will ever believe that you do not even have one.
Queen Mother. I don't know the problem I have with you or you have with me in this palace. I have tried everything within my power to avoid your incessant quarrels. Yet won't let me be. What have I done wrong? Am I the gods that give children? Or did they give me and I ate them up in my womb? Can you please stop?
Ugezu, I need grandchildren. I need a son. My son needs an heir to the throne. Look at you. As beautiful as you are, so empty. Give me grandchildren. Is it too much to ask?
Get out.
What did you say that happened?
You needed to see the way Queen Mother embarrasses Queen Ugezu this afternoon.
What did she tell her?
She told her that if someone sees her, they will think she's an accomplished mother of a dozen of children.
Seriously? But why would she say such a thing to her?
If you ask me, who will I ask? Anyway, I pity her, Sha. I pity her.
But do you think the fault is from Queen Ogebe?
You're asking me as if I'm the doctor.
Yes, now. She needs to ask you because you're the one that always brings gist to this palace.
Just stop it.
But I wasn't here when people were discussing that kind of thing. I wasn't here.
I'm out of here.
Let's go and continue.
Hello, my queen. You look terrible, like a storm that is about to blow. What's the problem?
Everybody cares.
Yes, dear.
Did I force you to marry me? I was in my father's house, happy, living my life. You came to ask for my hand in marriage. Officially, claiming you love me. But right now, I do not feel that love. I don't see it.
How do you mean?
What I mean is that if you love me, you protect me from your mother's hurtful words and actions. Your mother is practically strangling me to that I don't have children. What is it? Why should it be so?
My dear, do not take whatever my mother says to heart. Like every other mother, she's just worried.
Really? Why should she be worried on my behalf? Am I the only woman that has not had children for her husband? Am I the gods that give children?
My queen, come on, relax, okay? My mother will soon get tired. You married me and not my mother.
Then prove it.
As long as I am not bothering you, whatever any other person says should not be taken seriously.
Tell your mother to stay off my back. I know I'm respecting her. Tell her to stay off my back, off anything that has to do with me. Tell her.
He hasn't got into that.
It will soon get to that. Trust me.
All right, I know you are upset, okay? Cheer up, my queen. Come on, cheer up. I want you to accompany me to a neighboring village. The king invited us for his royal banquet, and I want my sweetheart to be there.
What if I say no, I am not going?
Oh, you have the right to say no, but I will not accept.
You don't even understand.
Come on.
I am talking about. Use your head.
My queen.
Excuse me, don't feel so disturbed that I'm staring at you like that. You look some kind of familiar to me, you know. Ugezu, right?
Queen Ugezu, for crying out loud.
Oh.
I am a queen. And who are you?
It's me, Honora, right? Honora, yeah.
Which Honora?
Honora, your first love, the one you abandoned. but I'm still okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where have you been?
Oh my goodness.
Don't come close to me.
I see.
Honora.
Yeah, it's me.
It's been a while. Where have you been all this while?
Well, I've been exactly where you abandoned me. So, what exactly? What in the God's name are you doing in a freaking, gate like this? What's going on in?
We came here for a royal banquet, but the crowd is enormous.
Oh,
I was getting so tense, so I said, let me come out here and ease my
I see. Looking for
tension.
somewhere that is quiet, right? It's you always. Oh, it's okay.
I thought you were in prison.
Oh, yeah, I got released after 5 years, and when I came out, I heard that you're now married to a king. But I said, that's good, because you're already a queen, even before I dated you. I've always told you that, right?
I couldn't wait for you, not knowing when you'll be out from prison.
Oh, no,
So I decided to get married.
No balls, all right? At least I'm happy that you're now married to a king, huh? So it's okay, for old time's sake, huh? I know you will not cut me off totally.
No, I think my husband will be worried by now. Let me go meet him inside.
Your husband is in there?
No, he's in heaven.
Oh, I see. For old time's sake, I would just like us to have a click and click, It's a normal thing because I like the way you make
Your
it.
phone.
Yeah, my phone, right? You're always there. 25 hours. That's unlocked. You still have it? Oh, my GP tank. Wow. Always Ugezu. Tittling and scintillated. Sweet Mama Cinta. Take care of Mama.
Always, please.
Oh, it's all right. Ugezu. Mama Cinta. Take care of Mama. Take care of.
But I wasn't quite impressed with the rooms. I felt they deserved better punishment than what I did.
Well, you can't really blame them. They are not as advanced as we are. But with time, I think they will. It's just a matter of...
That's Rita. You know that one. She likes her cocoa. She wants to hear everything. Right now, I'm with my husband. Let me enjoy my husband's company.
It's all right. I wanted to eat from here.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And now we buy it from Simply.
Thank you so much.
Look. Same color.
Nice, Rita. She won't let me be. I'll call her back when I'm done enjoying myself. What do you mean you must talk to me? You miss me. Stop it. I said stop it. I didn't give you my number so that you can randomly call me anytime you choose to. Stop it. I am a married woman. If you don't respect that marriage, that's my sanctity of marriage, I will have no other option than to block you. Call me when I flash you. What is that? Calling me before my husband. Are you mad? Nonsense.
What are you doing out here? You're pacing up and down. Leaving your husband all alone. You are here. What are you doing?
What is that supposed to mean? When is it a crime for me to come out here and take in some fresh air?
And let me tell you what you don't know. A woman who is in need of a child is always by her husband. Do you hear me?
What does that mean? So I don't have a life anymore. I must always be with my husband.
My elders, our people have a saying that if you are running from elders because of bad breath, you will never have wisdom. Both of you know that I've always looked up to you, especially in my difficult times. Besides, you have been in my cabinet since my reign started. I am worried. I have a problem. And I believe you can help me with the solution like you have always done. Should I take another wife to get an heir to this throne? Or should I fold my hands and wait for the gods?
Your Highness, honestly, you have spoken well. Like you rightly said, I have been a member of this cabinet since day one. If you ask me, and this is my opinion, I will say take another wife so that we can get an heir to this throne. As you can see, we don't have any. So I will advise you to take a wife.
Oh no, I would beg to differ. I strongly believe that His Royal Highness should wait until all other means have failed. Then he can resort to marrying another wife. As in he is fit, if you can see.
Who is talking about fitness here?
We're
not talking about fitness. Time wait for nobody. Delay is dangerous. I want you to know that. Is our king going to wait until he's old, exhausted, before he could take a wife? It's better he do it now.
Even when I am old, I can never be weak and exhausted.
Okay.
A man is always a man.
Thank you, Emeka.
Well, I appreciate. Thank you so much.
Igwe.
Time will tell. We will see what happens. Thank you so much.
Igwe.
His mother has been pressurizing him to take another wife. He has been saying no to her all this while. But yesterday, he invited 2 of his trusted chiefs to ask them their opinion on the matter. But the fact is, they supported him to take another wife.
What? Did I hear you say another wife? So what are you going to do?
Nothing. What else can I do?
Eh? Nothing? You mean nothing? So you are going to sit and watch another woman dethrone you? Never.
What else can I do? That is the truth.
This is not Ugezu, I know. Over my dead body will I let such thing happen to you? It will not. Have you thought of surrogacy and insemination? Look, you have to try other means. There is every possibility that the problem will be from your husband, the king. Yes. Yes. Trust me. I know what I'm saying.
Rita, you a genius. Give me 5. Why didn't I think about this all this while?
I am, my dear. I am. You have to. Which second wife? I won't let such happen to you. Over my dead body. Rubbish.